Niggas know what the fuck it is, nigga. Didn't I tell y'all niggas we'll be back? Didn't I tell y'all last night? Well, what's up, y'all? Y'all know what it is, man. She nigga Mad Dog. CEO of SPG as always. You know, I had to throw it in, you know. This shit was good, y'all. What's happening, man? It's 1:12 p.m. Monday, January 10th, 1:12 p.m. Shit. I hear the snow, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Snowing today and shit, you know what I'm saying? Cold in the bitch out here still, nigga. It's colder than last night, though. Last night was cold as hell, but I think it's colder today, you know what I'm saying? I think it's cold as a motherfucker out here, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Snowing like a motherfucker out here today, so y'all get to see this shit. Y'all finally get to see the snow and shit, you know what I'm saying? So, cold hell out here today, shawty, you know what I'm saying? Cold hell out here motherfucker today, you know what I'm saying? Cold bitch out here today. Y'all get to finally see, y'all telling y'all last night how it was snowing and shit, you know what I'm saying? How we were snowing out here and shit today. Y'all get to see the aftermath of the effects of this shit, man, so. I ain't gonna really take y'all niggas too far now, nigga. I ain't gonna really take y'all niggas nowhere with this shit, man. I'm gonna just show y'all niggas fucking scenery and shit, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all niggas this shit real quick, nigga. Badass kids outside as always, you know what it is, nigga. Badass kids and shit outside and shit, you know what I'm saying? Look at that motherfucking dog. Look at that big ass dog. Look at that motherfucking big ass dog, man. Nosy ass motherfucking neighbors and shit. You know what it is. I'm gonna take y'all niggas out here though and show y'all niggas this shit for real. I'm gonna show y'all how we do it, nigga. I'm gonna show y'all this shit, man. It cold in the bitch out here though, shot for real. It cold the hell out here though, man. You know what I'm saying? It cold the fuck out here. Big ass dog and shit, man, but I'm gonna show y'all nigga this shit, man. So I'm gonna show y'all all this shit. High definition for y'all too. Y'all niggas don't know. High definition and shit, man. I ain't about to fall. I ain't gonna fall on camera and break my ass. I'm gonna show y'all this shit, but I'm gonna show y'all niggas the aftermath of this shit. I'm gonna show y'all this snow shit. Cold as a motherfucker out here. It cold the hell out here today though, but y'all know how nigga get in, man. Y'all know how nigga do this shit. I do this shit for real, you know what I'm saying? Everything we do it big at SPG, man. Everything nigga we do it big over here, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna try to walk on this shit cause slippery and a bitch out here. But you see how we do it, nigga. You see the swag stay cool, you know what I'm saying? Niggas know what it is, man. Got the motherfucking forces on day. Forces on day, nigga, the red forces on day. You know what I'm saying? We out here, nigga, we do this shit. I'm gonna try to walk on this shit without busting my ass, nigga. I pray to God I don't bust my ass on this ground. I'm not bullshit, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna try to slide on this shit real quick for y'all niggas, man. Hope I don't motherfucking fall, nigga. I hope pray to God I don't fall, nigga. But if I do, don't tell nobody, nigga. I'm just fucking with y'all, I'm just bullshitting. Yeah, nigga, out here and shit. Swag gotta stay cool for you niggas, man. Show you niggas the hell we doing this shit. That's how we rocking, nigga. Swag always on set. You know, CEO gotta do it big, man. B.I.G. you dig? Show y'all niggas this shit real quick, man. I'm gonna show y'all the whole scenery and shit, you know what I'm saying, with that. Show y'all that your motherfucking scenery this shit. You know what I'm saying? Snowing like a bitch out here. Cold in that bitch out here. Cold as fuck, man. Burr, nigga. Burr like Gucci, nigga. Burr, nigga. Cold as fuck out here, man. Show y'all nigga this shit, man. Show y'all all this shit. Get y'all good look at everything. All the shit. Cold as fuck out here, man. Snow everywhere. Nigga just ice the fuck out. Nigga like put a nigga in the freezer type of shit. You know what I'm saying? I'll show y'all this shit though. Show y'all this shit, man. You know, badass kids all. You know, got them neighborhood kids, bad little motherfuckers and shit. I'm trying to get on. I want a motherfucker fall for real. I'm just gonna put that shit on YouTube. I want a motherfucker fall. You know what I'm saying? I'm just fucking with you, but we out here, nigga. You know, CEO, nigga, SPG and this shit, man. We in the snow and shit, nigga. ATL, nigga. It's what we do, man. We do this shit for real. I'm slipping like a motherfucker, though. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to bust my ass out here. I can't even move on this shit, y'all. You know what I'm saying? They gotta keep. I can't move on this shit, man. I might move. I just want to show y'all that shit, man. I want to show y'all snow. Show y'all how we rocking this shit. See how we doing this shit, man. Show y'all niggas the snow and shit. Cold in the bitch out here. Too goddamn cold. Too cold in the roof. Man, cold to be outside my damn self, man. Cold as motherfucker out here, man. I just want to show y'all all that shit. I want to show y'all all the snow and shit. I want to show y'all before we doing with this shit, man. SPG, you know, in the building as always, man. Shit. I'm gonna go back in the house in a minute and chill, you know what I'm saying? But this is video. This is Christmas. I mean, not Christmas. This is the motherfucking snow video this year. 2011, January 10th, nigga. It's the Prince, nigga, CEO, nigga, Mad Dog, nigga, Mad D's in this bitch, man. Niggas know my name, nigga. Look at that damn dog one more time. Look at that big ass dog. Look at that motherfucker. Look at that big ass dog, nigga. I want to show y'all niggas the scenery again, real quick. But you know what? I'm gonna take y'all to the motherfucking backyard. I'm gonna take y'all back here and shit real quick. See that shit? I ain't gonna walk way back though, cause it's too much shit back there. Too much snow and shit back there. But y'all see all this shit, man. Y'all see the aftermath of this shit. Snowstorm shit, nigga. Day one of this shit, man. Might make a part 2 tomorrow. Who knows, man? Might come back out tomorrow, make a part 2 for y'all. But y'all know what it is. CEO in the building. CEO checking in. I'm signing out. You know what I'm saying? SPG for life. Follow the nigga on Twitter, man. Twitter.com/MadDogSPG. You know what I'm saying? Follow my backup Twitter page too. Twitter.com/MadDogCEOSPG, man. Follow both pages, man. Cause I'm out here, man. I'm out here for real. We do this shit, man. We do this shit for real. You know what I'm saying? Y'all niggas ain't fucking this. We do this shit for real, man. That's what we do, man. We do this shit. We been doing this shit, man. But follow me on Twitter. Follow the squad. Follow the mafia. Follow the family, man. On Twitter, man. Y'all know our Twitter name, man. SPGNT for life, nigga. That's our Twitter, man. Follow us, man. Oh yeah, before I go, I'm gonna give a shout out to the whole squad. I'm gonna shout y'all out real quick, man. Shouts out to my nigga Rob Tat Charm. Shouts out to him. My nigga Young Gar, aka Young Boston. You know what I'm saying? Free 44 Soldier. Free 44 Soldier. Free Blink. My nigga I Player Boy. St. Louis, where it do. Holla at me. Severally the problem, where it is, my nigga. What's up, Severally? Shouts out to my nigga Dion. What's happening, Dion J? Know what I'm saying? Shouts out to my homeboy T-Row. Young T-Row. T-Row, what's up? What's good, bro? What's up, Jay Breeze? Let me give you a shout out to my niggas. What's happening? All my real niggas stand up, nigga. You know what it is, nigga. Zone 3. Shouts out to Zone 3, nigga. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be home soon, nigga. I'm gonna be back in the 3 real soon, so make sure y'all look out for you, boy. You dig? We going into like 9 minutes in this motherfucking video. 9 minutes in this damn snow video and shit, man. I just wanted to make this one long as hell, but you know what I'm saying? But hey, I'm signing out, man. I'm about to sign out this whole man real quick, man. I'm about to take my ass in the motherfucking house. I'm cold bitch out here. And I ain't about to walk no motherfucking well. Cause it's too goddamn slippery out in this bitch. You know what I'm saying? I see you footprints in the snow and shit, man. But it's cold in the hole out here, man. It's cold as hell out this bitch, man. You know what I'm saying? But we're going 9 minutes deep in the video, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm logging out. I'm about to sign out for y'all real quick. I just wanted to salute all my niggas, all my family. Shouts out to my fans. Oh. Shouts out to my partner Young Luke, man. Shouts out to my homeboy, man. You know what I'm saying? Shouts out to my nigga. Shouts out to everybody who fucks with me on the real. If I forgot your name, man. If I forgot y'all name, I apologize, man. I'll catch y'all niggas in part 2, man. Day 2. We doing this tomorrow too, so Y'all nigga look out for that part too, man. Day one, my nigga. Mad Dog, Prince of the South, Freestyle Prince, CEO. You niggas know the name. I'm out, nigga. SPG for life, nigga. Zone 3, what it do, nigga. Mad Dog, A-Town, nigga. Bow, bitch.